as we cherish the memory of this beloved saint, celebrated for his steadfast faith, kindness, and miraculous intercessions, let's remember the incredible power of prayer and the lasting promise of God's love. Saint Padre Pio once shared a comforting reminder: pray, hope, and don't worry. Worry is useless. God is merciful and will hear your prayer. During times of uncertainty and challenge, these words can bring a lot of comfort and strength to our hearts. Many of us find ourselves separated from loved ones, facing daily struggles, or yearning for healing and peace. But inspired by Saint Padre Pio's words, let's keep holding on to hope, trusting that the Lord is with us every step of the way and will never leave us alone. May this special day inspire each of us to draw closer to God through prayer, to be instrument of His mercy to those in need,